JR's money from his savings, from his piggy bank. Look at you, JR. So, bibili na daw si JR ng real car. Ayaw na niya ng mga toys. He wants a real car. So, how much money you have, JR? How much money you have? Huh? How much money you have? Also, JR, he decided to buy a motorcycle with sidecar. So, mommy can ride. Yeah? Wow, look at you. You have too many money. So, we are going tomorrow to look a new car for JR. Yay! We can get a new one. We can get a brand new car from JR savings. Look at you, JR. Good job. Keep doing, okay? So next time from your savings, let's get what? What, JR? For your next savings. What? Wow, good job. Say good job. Say good job. We are so proud of you, JR. We are so proud of you. You know how to save money. Congratulations. That's 20. Say bye. See you later, Daddy. JR, see you later, Daddy. I'm so excited to go and see what car I want.